10 proven strategies to relieve coccyx pain at home. Are you suffering from coccyx pain? If so, you aren't alone. The coccyx, commonly known as the tailbone, is a vulnerable spot that can easily become irritated or inflamed due to injury, age, or poor posture. Fortunately, there are several strategies you can try at home to relieve coccyx pain and get back to feeling like yourself. From using a donut cushion in hot and cold packs, to stretching, exercising, and even massaging, there are a variety of methods you can use to alleviate your discomfort. In this video, we'll discuss 10 proven strategies to relieve coccyx pain at home. What is coccyx pain? Coccyx pain occurs when the tailbone becomes irritated or inflamed. This pain is usually felt when sitting for long periods of time, but it can also occur when twisting, coughing, or sneezing. Coccyx pain is relatively common. In fact, it affects roughly 50% of the general population at some point in their lives. Fortunately, coccyx pain is not serious, but it can be debilitating. If you suffer from this pain, it can severely limit your daily activities. You may be limited by how long you can sit or how far you can crouch. You may also experience pain when climbing stairs, driving a car, and even walking. Benefits of relieving coccyx pain at home. Although coccyx pain may not be serious, it can still be debilitating. If you've experienced coccyx pain, you may be tempted to avoid certain activities or sit in one position for long periods of time. Avoiding these activities can cause you to develop chronic back pain, which can lead to other health issues. Remaining active may also reduce your risk of developing certain types of cancer. Fortunately, there are many ways you can relieve coccyx pain at home. The more you practice these methods, the quicker you'll be able to relieve your pain. In addition to relieving your pain, you'll also strengthen your core muscles and improve your posture. If you want to relieve coccyx pain while you're at it, why choose the easy way when you can do it at home? Coccyx pain statistics. 1 in 5 people experience coccyx pain at some point in their lives. Symptoms may include pain, swelling, tenderness, or aching in your tailbone, pubic area, or lower hips. Treating coccyx pain at home can alleviate the symptoms and improve your quality of life. If you've ever experienced tailbone pain, you're not alone. Fortunately, there are several strategies you can try at home to relieve coccyx pain and get back to feeling like yourself. From using a donut cushion in hot and cold packs, to stretching, exercising, and even massaging, there are a variety of methods you can use to relieve your discomfort.